Hello, how are you today? It's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. And today we are looking at Queen's English. I'll tell you what it is, and I'll give you 10 words that you can use to practice the Queen's English, plus a bonus expression right at the end to finish off our little tutorial on the Queen's English. Let's get to it. So, what is the Queen's English? The Queen is the only one who speaks Queen's English. Then we have the upper class, which includes the aristocracy. You could say they speak RP or conservative RP, in fact. So at one point, the Queen's English and RP were thought to be the same thing, but we now realise that they are slightly different in that the biggest point and the first point is that the Queen's English is really not an accent, it's just how the Queen speaks.
Because she speaks very slowly,
very carefully, and she has these longer vowel sounds. That is the key to the Queen's English. It could be the key to Buckingham Palace, I don't know, but you never know. Do they have a key at Buckingham Palace? Does she have a key? Does she carry cash? All of these questions we've always wanted to ask the Queen. Firstly, a little fact. Did you know that pure RP is only spoken by 2% of the population of Britain? So, shall we move on to my 10 words for you to practice today, plus my bonus word for you? Okay, let's go. 25 years ago.
25 years ago. Family. Family. Family.
Every year.
Every year.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Riots.
Riots. Riots. Naturally. 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 Medicines. Medicines. Medicines.
Globe.
Globe. Globe.
Married.
A becomes a. Married. Married.
Hello.
And when you say hello, 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 deep in the throat there's almost a y sound. Hello. Almost like you're raised up and trying to speak to the nation. So let's finish with
Clarence House.
think about the techniques and the vowel sounds and everything. So remember, sit up, nice posture, raise your head, and then Clarence House, house, Clarence House, house. It's not exactly heis like mice, that's a bit too extreme, but it's slightly changed vowel sound in house. Becomes raised up, Clarence House, house. And that is how to say Clarence House. Thank you and goodbye.
What's your favourite Queen's English expression out of the ones we've done today? Maybe write in the comments box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, of course. You'll be able to practice and learn your British accent. And stay connected.